Hey, this is Charlie Thompson, and I wanted to make a quick video to go over just a couple other ideas that I think are important and will help you succeed this semester in lab. First of all, why does this class take so much time? It's taken me many years to realize that sometimes teachers do a really poor job of communicating big ideas to students. So it's not me. This class will take more time than you probably thought. It's a 1-unit class. California, the state of California says if you sit in a lecture class for 54 hours, you get 3 units of credit. The state of California says if you do 54 hours of lab work, you only get 1 credit. So, like I said, it took me years to realize this is why so many students said, why does this class take so much work? And I'm all, well, it takes 54 hours of class time. That's it. But probably nobody ever explained to students, oh, the state of California says that it takes 3 times as much work to get a unit out of a lab class. So it's not me, it's the state of California. All right. Why? What's the point of the lab? The point of the lab is to provide you with hands-on examples of the ideas that are covered as like just an idea from lecture. Qualitative versus quantitative refers to 2 different ways of analyzing or measuring things. Qualitative refers to the quality. Is it big? Is it small? Quantitative refers to actually finding out quantities. And in this class, we'll be doing a lot of quantitative work, which means that we're going to make it into numbers. Oh, it's colder? Well, how much colder? Oh, 6 Celsius degrees. That's quantified. We'll be doing lots of math because so many of these things are numbers. How far apart are they? How much higher is that? How much colder is that? How much bigger is that? How steep is that slope? How long is that river? We're going to be analyzing things, and in order to analyze them, we're going to be using numbers. So we'll be doing lots of math, but the math that we're going to be doing is just basic math. We're going to be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We will be doing unit conversions, and I'm going to make a bigger deal out of unit conversion this semester to make it easier for students. I think I've kind of downplayed or tried to ignore the unit conversions. What the hell's a unit conversion, you wonder? Well, like going from kilometers to meters, inches to feet, seconds to hours. Those are unit conversions where the length or whatever it is that you've measured. It's the same measurement. You're just expressing it in different units. Like you could say, well, that's 1 mile. But if I asked you how many feet, you'd need to convert it to a different unit, converting it from miles to feet. To go from miles to feet, you multiply by 5,280. So we will be doing unit conversions. Also rounding. When you come up with an answer, if you divide something and it doesn't divide exactly, how do you shorten the decimals on the answer appropriately? I'll also make a big deal out of that. Again, not because I want to make it hard, but to make it easier for you to understand, oh, rounding is important and this is how we do rounding. And for these questions, this is how rounded to 1 decimal place, to tenths or hundredths or thousandths. Most of the time we'll probably be rounding to 1 decimal place, but I will let you know explicitly. Here's what I'm asking you. What's the temperature? Round your answer to 1 decimal place. Also, representative fractions. We'll be spending a lot of time solving problems using representative fractions where A over B equals C over D. I don't want to go into that now, but I just wanted to put that out there. That's one of the things that you should be aware of is how to use representative fractions to solve the math problems in this class. And finally, the most important thing to tell you is, I realize all of you are functioning adults who are experts in the things that you are experts in that I am not an expert in. And so it just happens I've been doing geography. Yeah, I've been studying the blade. I've been doing geography for my entire adult life, really. I started as an undergrad studying geography in 1984. And before that, I was teaching Boy Scout merit badge classes and I was studying geography. So what I wanted to tell you is whenever you get to a new topic, a new idea, it's not that hard. It's just new. You've never done it before. It's all brand new. And I understand that brand new things are confusing and overwhelming. So when you're confronted with one of those hard new things, just remember, it's not that hard. It's just new. And also remember, I'm here to help you. My goal is to help you succeed in what your academic goals are. I'm not here to make it difficult for you. I'm not here to create like gotcha questions. I think students, when they get to college, still have like a high school mindset of thinking of teachers as their enemy. And really, I'm here for you to help you succeed. Anything I can do to help you succeed, please let me know. So remember, it's not that hard. It's just new.